So this customer had an interesting use case. They've got basically a tower, and the forklifts coming in and like loading stuff onto the tower. And the problem they have is the forklift operators, when they like lift up, they can't actually see. I think they're dropping a bulk of bags or something in the top there. They can't actually see past the bulk of bag or the fork twines when they're actually loading in. And what happens is they keep on hitting the tower and like damaging it, causing downtime, like etc. So what we've designed for this customer is that we've basically made a box, has a battery in it, and like a solar charge in it, like a solar controller. There's the solar input will go into here. We've got a 12 amp hour like lithium like battery in here. We've got a 110 watt panel going into here. We've got a 1080p AHD wireless camera. That is what they are going to be like seeing. So this is going to be like mounted on the tower with the solar panel. Plenty of juice in here, so this should be able to last for 5 cloudy, rainy sort of days. So for this customer, that shouldn't be a problem. We always try to go overkill in cases like this, so you have power to last. So that is basically that. And then what they wanted is in the forklift, we are using our 10.1 inch waterproof sort of metal case, heavy duty wireless monitor. So this will be mounted in the forklift. And then when the forklift operator gets close, they'll be able to view this and see what's going on. The rest of the time, they actually don't care. They're happy for this to show no signal or just show the tower camera. We did do a range test on this, and actually this gear's got pretty serious range on it. So just the monitor sitting on the table, going through a couple brick walls in the warehouse, walking the camera down the road, you've probably got 200-300 meters of range, plus it's going through 2 brick walls. So not sure how big the side is, but they're probably going to be seeing the image a lot. And then also these are AI detection cameras. So what will actually happen, I don't know if you can see here, but I might get a bit closer. You can see it'll pick up people or vehicles, and I will warn them what's going on. Now, this can be turned on or off. They might want to turn it off, or they might want to actually leave it on, because when it drives in, it could go beep, 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 and they'll warn the operator that they're getting closer, because the whole idea here is get the operator to stare at the screen and hopefully not actually hit anything. So I'll actually hopefully help them out. So that's what we've created in this case. 10.1 inch waterproof screen that's going to be mounted in the forklift. It's all HD quality, steel frame, all heavy duty, wireless. All you need to do is hook this to power, a sort of wide voltage input, so 12 to 32 volt, fairly straightforward. That's going to go on the forklift. And then all they have to do is decide where they're going to put this and where they're going to put their 110 watt solar panel, which is what we've supplied in this case, and they will be all set up to go. So fairly interesting use case of wireless cameras on a forklift here, and that is what we have set up. So if you are looking for something sort of like this, or a workaround for something, get in touch with us and we'll tell you what we can work with the gear we have.